Hello everyone, welcome back to Google Sheet Pro. In today's video, I show you how to get the month from date, especially when you have an employee list with their date of birth. Let's say you have a list of employees and their date of birth are provided, but you need to find just the month of birth. Here, how you do it. Currently, we don't have the month displayed. So we use the text function. To use it, type is equal to and start with text. Then select the cell with the date you want to get the month from. Make sure the date is in the correct format. After that, you need to enter for capital M in double quotes inside double quotes like this. Close the bracket and press enter. Now drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the cells. You see the months displayed for each date. For example, December, November, January. This is how you can get the month from any given date using the text function. I hope this video helped you understand how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.